Let us enter. What is this? Why are you assaulting us? Why are you assaulting us?
Job, you understand? They don't have, if they have something to do, they don't have even time to go for demonstration, you understand me? But they were frustrated.
So what do you think the reason why they are doing this demonstration?
They want to voice out their feelings out. They want to bring their voice so that the government can hear their voice out. You understand me? Because you cannot sit down in the room and your problem will be solved. You understand? You have to come out and voice out your feelings.
So with this demonstration, do you think it will solve their problems?
This demonstration will not solve their problem, and even if they live in the house, it won't solve their problem. But when they get out, it will make them stress. They won't stress themselves, because some people can have stress and fall sick. You understand?
Sure.
So it's better they came out and voiced their voice out so that the country will hear them. Even if their problem is not solved, their stress will, decrease rather than being at home, being silenced. You understand me?
Okay.
Yeah, that's my point.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The place they beat me up. The way they lost cells, they pull me from there.
So what happened is that I saw them taking a protester and they were beating the guy.
So you were inside there?
Yes, I was inside when I saw them beating the guy. So I took my phone and I'm like, I'm filming this. No sooner had I took my phone than 6 police, it was even more than 6. Came and just twisted my hand, bring the phone. And I said, oh, they should hold on. Before I could even say Jack, they pounced on me. And I'm like, these are policemen, not policewomen, policemen. And the way they twisted my hand, this person shoot me up, push me, yes. The other one pushed me, yes. Bring the phone. And finally, I don't know where they took my phone. So they still have it. And the guy, one lawyer who told them that, oh, she's a journalist, leave her alone. They just started beating the guy, putting him, and now they took the guy to our room. So I can confidently tell you that if they said police are not beating protesters, it's a big lie. Me, a journalist, I have been assaulted by the police. How much more a protester?
Thank you.
Say Occupy Lobby House. Young people say they are frustrated. They were system. A Juma Sam Cornwall cost to corruption and cost. And it's only a bayer and your mind a bayer. And I face you. Citizens be our rights of a protesting. It's an say Omoba, but on Besha, Libesha Black, Libesha Red. Omoba, 37 police was saying, which I read on them, and they actually Mimi Free Winniba, and I made my mountain. So by names on Watching. It's because Flagstaff House, Jubilee House war. And because the Lobby House one almost say, Omuni or the Omaba police headquarters. if I have spread you.
Okay.
It's meaning say there, you the be back head. It's me kana me hwe back of my to be honest. The person me be money come me no kasa me be o. Obi see o ha na say o ha. Buy me shop pass o share. And they buy you know. And ma me be approach me say they buy a friend of Kevin fashion ma me the back Kevin watching. And you show say we hu fit am pack. O say the ban ko ko eh. O say the ban. No passion.
The patcha bra. Okay.
So what? And also for my show me point and me corner me hwe say me hu ne ba no ama no. Ti me kusa police ni say me sire no ana. E bia na apart from saying the back Kevin other people are arrested me to be quite believe because I am a good citizen and in good standing. And friend say apart from that say na young man be so on me gina ho. Ono so me say yes a friend Joyce has na me ni on the phone na space say what Twitter. And me the phone na e kasa ekumu. Ye kasa gumu ye kasa gumu ye nye hwe na ho say you say woni me gina ho ya and the police want to share yes. Omo to share so omo grab be ma bi omo me de omo anye de oye ni say omo twi omo o de me frampo say be fa we mponi na o twi me enti boy ni so person o konso no so di mata we mu bag ni mu and the police for twi me na omo yi mata apa enu na me di gina ha
What did you know? Me buy a share and share back. This is it's me here but na be count police.
Oba no side oba no say 1 2 3 mo form. Sisa wo gina wanya so mo aye bibi o me kase me hu say obi edidi police attempt. Obi abo police. Obi di bibi kwa me donya me obi anya say protest ni bia o yes sir. Omo gina ho keke police ni pia. Ono no gina ho sa kwa no o she ono oba say 1 2 3 ono na ya fa mo ko inside na ya bo just to scare ourselves. We are a bebo. I'm panso. I do baby no mu so mo I rape me ho na me ho aye say na obi ma me we ma me de ball me yem. Enti me de we na me de ball me yem. Enti o hu sa no. E na almost since person me quiet dem won. Say na me say me report a crowd ho. Vanessa say na ya bo no crack ho. Ya bo ono so. Ya bo no inside because of who the police one year protesters or police one no bo mo to de camera record e na mo chi no bo no so kan ho. 6 police officers say ya wodi ne sabu na chi say. E na mo achi ni phone e see. Identity. And so I'm calling some me not yes, I may consume him some minimum, but me, some many police fire, madam. Meaning, Sunny, I had baby, I'm only protesting. I was walking there. And almost our news. I miss sign PA, yes, I'm mobile, I want to be there, and I do a ham. Miss sign PA. And then I'm saying, most of them calling some questions, also be in, and I'm saying, maybe when we report to her, and I Kevin watches over hands to make call. And almost I PA, I'm PA, and I'm PA now.
Bridget, when you post the match, what's the funny baby about have some idea show me are you surprised?
Madam, me baby or movie. Me baby or movie. And then the police say you may be a standard rule. Maybe it's a standard police will say, who shall somebody now you say I mean, person can I be I say you discriminate against people who wear earrings and all that. But meaning say police standards is send yet here. Me time na me ni omo age man na me ni bibi sa. Me omo ni age man na me so omo pe me kai pa na sa na omo pia. Maybe I say you are the wrong person for this show because in your ma bi o ha me for so. May I'll do the corruption cases against them. I understand. And some class on Bepu can come back me free because if I'm moving me too, I'm sure so we be promotion. I'm tired.
Vanessa.
Arrested citizens for doing nothing. Arrested citizens for doing Those citizens have the right to protest.
Attacked a Metro TV reporter. They have taken her phone.
You have no idea. I am so traumatized. So
madam.
what happened was, I think they were taking one person and they were beating the guy mercilessly. So I took
I hope they have not deleted it. I hope
they
you have
have
it.
my phone now. So they were beating the guy mercilessly.
Do you know who took your phone?
Yes, I know.
We
him.
will take
They
it
were
from you.
beating the guy mercilessly. So I was taking shots of what was going on. And immediately more than 6 police officers surrounded me, pushed my hand behind my back. Police officer was there and he was trying to tell them to stop. And they just shoved him aside. One guy who is my lawyer there, he has also been arrested for just asking them to stop. They beat you should see what is. I don't believe that. I just can't understand that. This
Vanessa,
is
they
happening.
are aware you are a media person.
Yes, my lawyer was telling them that she is a journalist, leave her alone. As they were all some of them were holding their accounts like this, as if they are ready to do whatever they want to do. And more than 6 of men, policemen, I'm not talking about women, policemen, 6 policemen. And they just shook my hand behind my back and bring the phone. And one tall guy had to, Jesus Christ.
So that was my colleague.
They still have my phone. They still have my phone in.
Actually, your friends, I didn't need your phone. Yeah.
Peaceful workers, also actually the Yabaha, see a lawyer for that day. About Yabaha, and I said, your lawyer is going to so all of a sudden, who said your lawyer almost started beating up on being a real side. And so the media following now, and everybody around was using their phone to capture whatever is going on. I was also capturing, and the we answer, if you ever started watching before then they took the phone inside. So you know, guys, I'm not doing the phone. I'm not share my phone, I have their phone inside. That's what I can say. I didn't permit them to take the phone, they just took the phone from me. So maybe I'm the phone inside. And I let them walk, you know, those who were picked here will not be on this list. No, was it picked here? No. Adam Delali. We have Bisa. Yes. He's a ministry.
He's a ministry. Yeah, Daniel. Yeah. He's Daniel Duncan.
The body was
where
some gave him
yeah, but I'm asking when he has been. The best thing
President Akufo-Addo and the Ghana Police Service be told that anytime anyone resists peaceful change, violent change to location, we don't want to engage in violence. But if they push us to the wall, we have no other option. I thank you.
Any fair year after the total number of people arrested?
Well, so far as I counted, we have about 30 that have been distributed to the various places. Only Former is currently at the Railway Police Station. There are about 7 of them that are at the Cantonment Police Station. 7 of them are here. Some are distributed to Kura. And we are going to ensure that we monitor to see the people. Some of them are actually even passers-by who were just arrested. Journalists, their phones were seized for simply wanting to cover the atrocities that the Ghana Police Service were meting out on innocent citizens. I think that it is unfair.
No, they didn't allow me.
Every time, that's this